Hey guys, these are my very first locks that I'm learning to pick, and this one I have picked maybe 200 times by now, using everything from paper clips to actually toothpicks to this Southord picking kit. And today I got this picking kit today, and I was experimenting a bit with the broken key extractor. So I started out with this one. This is from Biltema. This one is from Biltema also. These cost the same amount of money. So I started by intentionally breaking a key, putting a piece of it into the lock, to the bottom like that, and I fairly quickly figured out that if I push the pins up, I can get on top of it, and then I can get the extractor to dig into the broken key, and I can pull it out like that. So this is fully functional now. Then I did the same thing to this one, and of course I can't get this key out. I can't get on top of the key and get it out. So I thought, well, I have picked this lock 200 times, it doesn't matter, I could just throw it away. I'm gonna do one last thing. So I had a closer look at it, and in here I realized that the cylinder is not made of metal, it is actually made of plastic. So I thought, well, if this cylinder is made of plastic and I'm gonna throw this lock away anyways, hang on a second, there we go, now, and I'm gonna throw this lock away anyway, why not try to see if we can exploit that plastic cylinder? So I took out this, screwdriver pick thing, let's call it the screwdriver pick, and I put it into the keyway, and I gave it a little twist, and of course I've already done this now, so it takes a lot less effort now than I did the first time. First time I put some tension on it, and it said crack, and the lock opened. So you can just turn it back like so, and it locks back up. So all you need to open this type of lock from Biltema cost 40 Swedish kronor, is a screwdriver. Put it in the keyway and turn it, and it opens. Ridiculous, actually. So avoid this lock, don't buy one of these. This one is my second lock. I bought it the same day, but I haven't managed to pick this until today with this kit. It's quite easy to pick. There are no security pins in it, but it's quite restrictive, so my bent up paper clips and key rings I tried to pick it with wouldn't fit in the keyway. But it's probably shimmable. I haven't tried this one. I shimmed this using just a soda can. I would guess this is shimmable too. But this has 5 pins. It is a lot higher quality. The cylinder is made of plastic. The cylinder is made of brass and not of plastic, as the other one was. And let me bring out some tools here. There we go. It's probably not possible to break it open using a screwdriver, or at least not with huge effort. It feels a lot more robust, and it is 5 pins instead of 4 pins in this one. I don't know if I said that. And let's see if we can pick it. I'm gonna try to single pin pick it first, I think. So I use top of the keyway. For some reason I have figured out that holding the lock upside down, holding the lock upside down works pretty well for me when it comes to padlocks. And this is a standard hook from Southord from this kit. And I figured out that heavy tension is the way to go on this one. So I just feel around for a binder. There's something there, I think. Yep, I think that was pin 3. Let's see. It's pin 3 again. Try to pick the ward. That seems to not. That doesn't seem to work very well. I just keep going back and forth on the pins. There are only 5 pins, and none of them are security pins, which should be pretty easy. But I'm a beginner, so. Can't seem to find any more binders. Let's start over. There we go. Heavy tension and look for a binder. That's one. I think, yeah, there we go. It's number 1, I think, or 2 possibly. This takes a lot longer on video than it does in real life. Okay, never mind. Let's skip that and go right to raking it. I'm at 8 minutes here. I don't want to make this video much longer than this. So I use a tinier tension wrench. I use bottom of the keyway, so I get out of the way for the rake. And use this is a Southord L rake. Shove it in there and just jiggle it around a bit. This usually goes pretty quick. Probably not now when we're on video. There we go. They're open. So, I would recommend this higher than this one. These are the same price, and at least in my Biltema store they hang just right next to each other. So this one is trash. You can open it with your master key. Not now for some reason. There we go. This one you can't probably. You can single pin pick it and you can rake it, but you could probably shim it. But it's at least a lot better than this for that money. So, thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon.